Hello everyone, it's time for Phys.Ed.School. Take your piece of equipment out on the floor and get ready to go to school. Before we begin, let's go over the rules of Phys.Ed.School. Number 1, work hard to get better. Number 2, be kind to others. And number 3, listen and do. And when you see this sign and hear this sound, it means it's time to stop and look for the next trick to do. Here we go. In Phys.Ed.School, a kindergarten student puts 2 buckets on the floor, carefully stands on top of them, and then uses the third bucket like a lighthouse. In Phys.Ed.School, a first grade student makes a caterpillar with their buckets, walking one way, then walking the other way. In Phys.Ed.School, a second grade student puts the buckets on the floor and then does push-ups over the buckets. In Phys.Ed.School, a third grade student takes 1 bucket, lays it on the floor, and gently pushes it as the bucket goes all the way around back to you. In Phys.Ed.School, a 4th grade student takes 1 bucket off top, holds it about the height of their head, lets go, and then tries to drop it on top. In Phys.Ed.School, a 5th grade student takes 2 buckets, gently pushes one of them, and then gently pushes the other one as they both come back to you. In Phys.Ed.School, a middle school student flips their bucket and tries to land it on its bottom. In Phys.Ed.School, a high school student lays all 3 buckets in front of them, gently pushes one, then the next, having all 3 buckets come all the way back to you. A triple boomerang. In Phys.Ed.School, a college student turns the buckets upside down, drops one bucket into the others. Now it's your turn to make up a trick. Use the equipment safely and make up a trick that you can show the rest of the class. Nice job, everyone. You graduated from Phys.Ed.School. Now, freeze!